Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your TikTok balance. So just simple, you can open your TikTok apps and you can tap on your profile and then click three lines in the top right corner and then settings and privacy. So select balance option. So your current balance will be displayed in this section. Okay, what are the TikTok coin? TikTok coin are said to be the in-app currency that's converted to real money. So if you have TikTok coin, you can use them to broadcast gifts to creator you follow, and you can as well buy diamond to send to your user as appreciation for how they impress you. So that's how to check your TikTok balance. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click text button for appreciation.